Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at StampinUp.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today I have a special treat for you. A box of sunshine came in the mail for me. This is our June paper pumpkin kit, and can I just say it's happiness, like so much happiness. Who doesn't love a box of sunshine? I've got two alternate cards to share with you today. I think you're going to love them. They are quick and easy and use minimal supplies other than what has come in the kit. Let's flip the camera around. I'll show you what I made. At the end of the video, there is a link to head over to my blog for the It's a Paper Pumpkin Thing blog hop, and you're going to be able to see in excess of 20 different ideas using the Box of Sunshine June Paper Pumpkin Kit. Now, if you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, just know that when you subscribe through me for the monthly kit, you get at least 15 to 20 alternate ideas using the kit, besides the beautiful creations that Stampin' Up! Has come up with for the kit contents. So, let's flip the camera around. I'll show you exactly what I made. So one of the things that I really love about our Paper Pumpkin kits is Stampin' Up! Gives us some fabulous ideas on putting the kit together. You've got some basic instructions in here. You've got some picture tutorials. But I love that they tell us the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors that go along with the colors in the cards. We also get some alternate ideas here to go along with the ones that you're going to see today. Here are the coordinating colors with the Box of Sunshine. We've got Crushed Curry, Shaded Spruce, Whisper White, Poppy Parade, Basic Black, and Gold Foil. So you can easily pull these colors out of your drawer to coordinate with your alternate ideas. There's 3 card bases in the Box of Sunshine kit, and we are going to be using these two. I'm going to show you 2 alternate cards today. And we're going to do a little weaving technique, which is pretty neat. So I'm going to start with this striped card base, and we're going to add a little bit of glue. So I've got 6 strips. These are 1/2 inch by 5.5 inch pieces. We're going to trim 3 of them down here. But I've got Poppy Parade, Basic Black, and then Gold Foil. So we're going to add some glue to these strips. And I'm just going to go ahead and add glue to each one of them. Let me see if I can get these out from under there. And I'm just adding a very thin line of glue. And we're going to start with a Poppy Parade stripe here. And I'm going to add this to the bottom of the card about maybe 1/2 inch from the bottom. Now I'm not going to push this end down yet. Next we're going to come in, hang on. Got my gold foil mixed up here. Next we're going to come in, I think we want to go with black next. I'm going to come in with black, and we're going to add a strip of black right about here. And we'll just lay that down here. Then we're going to come in with our gold, and we're going to put that down here. And then we're going to come in with our red. This one is going to go underneath. And now we're just going to keep weaving these back and forth. Now I'm not pushing any of these down yet. Oops, we need the gold. Here's the other gold one. And we're going to pull this in. This is going to go right under here. And then we're going to come in with this black one. We need to make this one go under here. Just like that. And then we're going to come in with the black one, and we're going to do just the opposite with that right up here. And again, this is kind of just doing a weaving pattern. And it's kind of very interesting. Hang on till we embellish now. Don't make any judgments because this just looks, I don't know, a little weird, right? So we're just going to trim these off right at the top. Let me see if I can do a little better job now that I can see what's going on with these. There we go. You will always find still photos on my blog. My blog address is right here of all of these projects. So now I'm going to bring in one of these die cuts, and your kit actually comes with a black Stampin' Spot, but I've got my Memento ink pad out here. So we're going to stamp this right on the little banner. I love the font on this. You guys know I love fonts. And then we're going to grab one of these little banners. These are die cut adhesives. And I'm going to add some dimensionals to the back. The kit comes with dimensionals and it comes with mini glue dots too. So you've got just about everything in here you could possibly need. Now this is already sticky, but I want it to be raised up. So I'm just adding some extra dimension here. And we're going to put that right over top of one of our strips, the gold strip right here, okay? Then I'm going to add a little bit of glue to this. We don't need any more dimension on there, so I'm going to just glue that right down on here. And then we've got all these pretty die cuts. So we're going to take that sun and we're going to add some dimensionals to the back of that. I'm going to give this some good support. It's kind of a bigger die cut. Isn't that pretty? I just love that watercolor look. Whoops. Hang on, it wants to stick to my finger. There we go. Now we're going to put that right up here. Last but not least are these fabulous sequins that also come in your kit. I'm going to grab my take your pick tool. I love this putty end. I just use it for so many different things. Let's get that out of there. Put that one right there. Just a little bit of glitz going on here with the sequins, which is really fun. Oops. One more right there. What do you guys think? Isn't that amazing? So another really neat thing about this kit is look at these beautiful envelopes. Holy cow, they've got the gold foil on here. Who isn't going to want to get this in the mail to brighten their day? Yeah. Now, let me show you the next one because it is equally as pretty as that one was. Now we're going to bring in this card base. And we have the black polka dots here, which are really cool. I'm going to take this one. It is self-adhesive, and we're going to put it right over here. Okay, and then we're going to take one of these banners and our black ink pad, the You Are Loved, and we're going to stamp that down close to the right end. I love the font on here too. It's just a classic, very boxy lettered font. Now, I've cut a piece of shaded spruce that is 3/4 of an inch wide, and we're going to adhere, whoops, our banner to this shaded spruce layer. And I'm just going to kind of put it all the way down to the end, center it on there. There we go. And we're going to add to this to our card front. And now when we do that, I'm going to pull it over here so that it goes all the way over to the edge. And I'm just going to trim this off. Now I want to make sure it's on there nice and straight. And then we're going to add some dimensionals. It's hard to add dimensionals or hard to cut it off if you add the dimensionals before you trim it. So I'm going to trim it right now. There we go. Now we're going to add some dimensionals to the back. To give it a little dimension. Yeah, that. Here we go. Put that right here. Now we're going to grab some more of these beautiful dies. These pop right out of here. And I'm going to do, oh my gosh, this is so fun. I'm going to do one right there. And then I think we'll do a lemon. And how about one of these leaves? Isn't that fun? Okay, so I want these to be raised up on dimensionals. We're going to add several dimensionals. We want to give this good stability. Okay, so now that we have all these dimensionals ready, I put dimensionals on the back of the lemon and the leaves. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my big pineapple right up here. Here comes my little lemon. And here comes my leaf. Whoops. Don't let those dimensionals stick to you. Here comes my leaves. Isn't that fun? And then we're going to embellish with a few sequins. And I'm just going to add some of these. These are so fun. I love them. Oops. Thought I had one, but I didn't. There we go. Super, super cute, right? So let me grab the envelope here. I've got one more card to show you. Very, very cool with the paper weaving. This just screams fun, doesn't it? And this uses some of the elements. There's a smaller pineapple and some smaller lemons in there. Now that is actually geared towards decorating this box and giving it as a gift. So could you see putting a little sentiment on here and decorating the outside of the box? That's what it's intended for. And you can see that here, that's exactly what Stampin' Up! And Sarah, who helped design this kit, have done, is to have a box full of sunshine so you could fill this with all kinds of fun gifts and give it to somebody. So here we have one card, here's two cards, and here is 3 cards. Now, but each month I'm going to provide you with at least 15 alternate ideas for that monthly kit. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I am always happy to answer them. Make sure you click up here to head over to that blog hop so you see all the alternate ideas. And thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Have a wonderful Thursday. Bye-bye.